Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about how to find the Fiori app name based on the transaction code. If you follow me about my Fiori related videos, we already explained how to launch the Launchpad and how to find the roles of a Fiori app in SAP website. So all those things we learned. And today we want to learn, I'm going to teach you that how to find the Fiori app name based on the transaction code. So let us go to this one and let me use the annoying only for you to show. Go to SAP. There is a transaction code called /UI2/FLPCM_CUST. This is the transaction code. Once you click on this transaction code, you will get a screen where you can input the transaction code in ECC or transaction code which you know and want to know what is the Fiori app name. This method you can utilize not just for the standard transactions, you can also utilize for the customized transactions. So if there is any transaction you find GN, GMM, okay, or ZMM or GMM or ZST, what anything if you have developed in your project, you want to know that what is the Fiori app name, that also you can search and find with this transaction code. Once this transaction code is populated, you have to go to this option called tiles or target mappings. Once you go to this tiles or target mapping, you will get a field where you can input the transaction code. Let us search for any transaction code which we want to learn. Let's take the most commonly used one transaction code. I'm going to take an example to demonstrate about how you want to search for the Fiori app name. So this is one way how you can find it. And another way is the web link, which we explained earlier already. MB52. For example, I want to search, is there any Fiori app for MB52? Yes, we found this one. Display warehouse stock. You can also see the details like what is the application source, what is the transaction code, whether it is under, this is related to IS retail related. Material display stock in Web GUI. And original target, what is the catalog ID. So all the information, the technical information, everything, we can check that. So let us search, this is the title of the Fiori app, display warehouse stock. I'm going to the Fiori app. Okay, I'm going to the Fiori app. I already logged in, so it directly came. Otherwise, it would be asking for user ID and password. Go to the search and search the text of the tile. Display, yeah, display warehouse stock. We found this, the Fiori app, which looks like MB52, and because there are few transactions SAP directly provided similar to SAP GUI in the HTML look, and few are the newly developed. So you want to see the stock of GP01 plant, you can get the GP01 and execute it. So it will show the stock available in GP01 plant. So the same way like how we used to see in MB52. The main purpose of this video is, one is the Fiori library, which we already seen. This is what I mentioned earlier. The Fiori library you can search. Okay, the link was available. How to find the role of a Fiori tile like that you can search. You can find in YouTube and also in Udemy. I put it in Fiori app related videos. So once you come to the library, you can search with the text. That is one method. And another method which I learned, so that I felt, let me share with you. So that will be helpful for you in your GUI transaction. How can you search for a Fiori app name based on the transaction code? I hope you learned something new today. And if you have any other concepts with respect to Fiori, please put it in a comment, so that definitely I will make as a video. Keep learning, keep practicing, and there are Fiori app related videos are available. Mostly the procurement and some of the inventory management related videos are already I made in Fiori, and it is available wherever you're watching, whether you're watching in Google Drive or a few of the YouTube videos. And in Udemy also, ECC S/4HANA differences course, I put Fiori videos. Of course, each area, either you are going with a procurement course, I added the Fiori related things. Inventory management also, I have added. So whenever I make new Fiori related videos, wherever relevant folders, I will update and inform to all of you wherever the platform you're watching. Keep learning and keep sharing knowledge. And if you have any other valuable inputs, please put it in a comment so that I will adopt those changes to improve further to help more people. Thank you.